Hi boys and girls. Alright, today I'll be going through revision 1. Okay, so section A, question 1. What is the value of the digit 4 in 47,205? Okay, so it's I just show you the working quickly. So they want this digit 4, so that's 4 0 0 0 0. Your answer is number 4. Okay, next. What is 100 less than 68,025? So it's 68,025. So that's 100 less. So your answer is 67,925. And your answer is number 3. Okay, next. Which of the following numbers, when rounded to the nearest 100, becomes this? Okay, so let's check the first one. So they're talking about the nearest 100, so that's 52,349. So when you round off to the nearest 100, this one will give you 52,000. The neighbor is a 4, right? So it's still 300. So this is not your answer. Number 2, 52,449 rounded off to the nearest 100 will give you 52,400. So this is the answer, number 2. Now you can work out the rest as well. So if you take this, so nearest 100, so this is a 5. So this will be 52,500. So confirm number 2 is your answer. Okay, all right then. All right, question 4. Which of the following is a common multiple of 3 and 8? So what you do is you put a line in between them, put 3 and 8. So 16 divided by 3, not possible, but possible for 8. So this is not the answer because it's only 3. 8 is possible. 27 divided by 3, yes, but you can't divide it by 8. So also not the answer. 36 divided by 3, yes, you can. 36 divided by 8, not possible. 48 divided by 3, you get a 16. 48 divided by 8 is a 6. So your answer is a 4. Okay, all right, question 5. Which of the following shows a turn between 1/4 and a half? So here you have from here to here, okay? So so this one is not the answer, okay, because it's still a quarter but not half. All right, this one here is also not possible. Okay, so this is not between 1/4 and a half turn. So this one here is, it's a 3/4, right? So this is also not. The answer is this, between, this is between, right? 1/4 and half turn is a straight line right here. Half turn will be exactly straight, right? So your answer is this one, number 4. Okay. Right, next, number 6. There were 36 pupils in Mrs. Lin's class. All right, in the class. She gave 12 counters to each pupil and had 5 counters left. So how many counters did she have at first? So this one here, you have to take, so there's 39 pupils. So here will be number of counters. Now she gave 12 each, so that means if you have 39, so 39 times 12. Okay, so you have 39 multiplied by 12 will give you Alright, so here your answer will be, this is 468, right? Now 5 counters left, so here will be counters first. So that will be 468 plus 5. Okay, so all you need to do is, okay, so that's your answer. So final answer is 473. So that's question, the answer is number 4. Okay, is everybody okay? Right, let's move on. Study the following diagram. John is standing at point A, okay, facing the hawker center. He turns through an angle of 315 in an anti-clockwise direction. Okay, so he is at point A, facing the hawker center. Now he turns through an angle of 315 in an anti-clockwise direction. What will he be facing? Okay, so he is here at A, right, facing hawker center. So he's facing there. Okay, so anti-clockwise direction will be this way, anti-clockwise. Okay, so here will be 40, here will be 90, so that's 45, 45, it makes 90. 90 plus another 45 is, all right, and then the next one, 90 and 90 will be 180. Another 90 will be 270 plus another 45, 270 plus 45, so here will be 315. So that will be cinema. That's your answer, because from here facing hawker center all the way to 315 is facing the cinema. So your answer is number 1. Bernard had 3,630. He deposited means to put in the money, okay, in the bank. Okay, so he deposited $990 into his bank account and spent the remaining amount on 3 identical watches. All right, so he spent the remaining amount. Okay, how much did each watch cost? So here, first of all, I need to find out. He has this much. He put in 990, so what is the remaining? So this is the remaining money. So that will be 3630 minus 990. Okay, so put your working by the side. Okay, so your answer is, for this one is, so the answer for this is 2,640. Now, with this amount of money, he went to buy 3 watches. So how much did each? Each means 1. So cost of 1 watch will be 2,640 divided by 3. Okay, so you just do your working by the side. Divide by 3, so that will be, closest you will take is 24, and that's 8. So 2, another 24, that's 8. So that's a 0. Okay, so your answer is 880. 880 means number 1 is the answer. Alright, question 5. A factory produced 3,245 toy cars. Alright, it produced 1,000 more toy trucks than toy cars. So 1,000 more toy trucks means I put a plus for the toy truck because it's more, and toy cars is less. It produced 800 fewer toy boats than toy trucks. Alright, so that's 800 fewer toy boats than toy truck. Okay, how many toy boats did the factory produce? So when you have three items like that and you have the more and the less than, right, the only way to do it is to, yes, draw your model. So first of all, I draw three of the same equal side. All right, so that will be, here will be your toy car, okay, toy truck, and toy boat. TC is toy car, TT is toy truck, TB is toy boat. Okay, now a factory produced 3,245 toy cars, so I know this is my toy car, 3,245. It produced 1,000 more toy trucks than toy cars, so what must I do to show? I just need to draw my 1,000 more toy trucks, so that's 1,000 more, okay, and just label as this extra is 1,000 more, okay. Right, it produced 800 fewer toy boats than toy cars. So this is your toy boat, 800 fewer. So if you have that as 1,000, 800 fewer means you have that, and 800 fewer is from here to here. That's 800 fewer. Okay, so here to here they are the same. Okay, so if you have from this part here to here is 800 and the whole thing is 1,000, so how do you find this portion here? Yes, you just take 1,000, take away 800, you get your 200. So here you put your just write down toy boat 1,000 minus 200, minus 800, that's 800 there, 800 equals to 200. So I know this part here is 200, but that's only this part. How about this whole thing? Yes, if the toy, you look carefully, yeah, that's the reason why we draw like that, yeah. So if the toy car is 3,245, so that means this part here is also 3,245 for the toy truck and 3,245 for the toy boat. So now you know this is 3,245 plus the 200. So your toy boat is 3,245 plus your 200. That will give you as 3,445. That's your answer. So your answer is number 1. Okay. Right, let's move on. Okay, next question. What fraction of a complete turn? Alright, so they are asking about fraction. We have done fraction last year. Okay, so just refresh. Will the minute hand make between 8:45 a.m. and 9:15 a.m. So your 8:45 is shown here. Your 9:15 is shown here. So from 8:45 to 9 o'clock. So as you can see, from 8:45 to 9 o'clock, that will, okay, if I were to divide this like that, okay, so you can see that this is the quarter, right? So this is from 8:45 to 9 is 1 quarter. Now they want your 9:15, so 1 quarter plus another 1 quarter. Okay, so 1 quarter plus 1 quarter. Now remember, numerator 1 plus 1 is 2. Denominator remains the same because this is the quarter. Okay, so that's 2 out of 4. But you don't have 2 out of 4 here because you got to simplify your answer. So you divide it by 2, divide by 2, and your answer will be 2 divided by 2 is 1. 4 divided by 2 is 2. So your answer is number 3. Okay, question 11. In the figure on the right, A, B, C, D is a square. A, B, C, D is a square. Find angle E, A, B. So this angle. EAB. Remember, the angle in the center is what you're looking at. Okay, so this is EAB. EAB. So this is the angle. Okay, now so you just write down there angle EAB. Now this is a square. Square means all the edge is how many degrees? Yes, it's 90, right? It's a right angle. So this is 90 degrees. So 90 degrees minus 55 degrees. So your answer will be, yeah. So the answer is 37 degrees, and that's number 1. Okay, symmetry. Question 12. Which of these figures are symmetrical? Okay, let's check this. The word is symmetrical. That means it must have a line of symmetry as well. Okay, right, let's take a look at the first one. No. Okay, this one here, you can actually divide this and show me the line of symmetry from here to here, right? That means when you divide it, it will be equally. When you fold it, it will be very equal, right? So this is yes. This one, you can fold it this way, right? Horizontal. Or you can fold it vertical, right? So yes, C is symmetrical. All right, how about D? D is not possible because this is slanted. All right, so your D is also out. So your answer is B and C. Your answer is number 2. Okay. Question 13. Right, read the question. Devi has 28 packets of beads. Okay, each pack, so one pack contains 36 beads. Okay, she uses 9 beads to make a bracelet. How many such bracelet can she make? All right, so here we know she has 28 packets. Now each packet, one packet contains 36 beads. So now you have 28 packets. So all you need to do is to multiply. So that's 28 times 36. Okay, can do your working by the side. So that's, you can either take 28 times 36 or 36 times 28. All right, 3 lines. Okay, so here will be 48. Here will be, put a 0. So it's 24, 8 plus them together. So your answer will be 1008 beads. Okay, for this one. Now she uses 9 beads to make a bracelet. So one bracelet is 9 beads. So you don't know the number of bracelets. So all you need to do is number of bracelets will be 1008 divided by 9. So you do your long division. Okay, so here will be a 1. So again, another 1. So your answer is 112. So 112 is number 2. 2 is the answer. Alright, question 14. Hanis and Sheila had 172 coins altogether. After Hanis gave 20 coins to Sheila, they had equal number of coins. So I draw 2 to show that they have equal number after Hanis gave 20 coins to Sheila. How many coins did Sheila have at first? Okay, so now in order for Hanis to give to Sheila, that means Hanis will have more than Sheila. Agree? So what we do is we draw the more. Okay, the more for Hanis, because Hanis is the one who has more, because that's why she can give 20 to Sheila. So this one here, this is the extra. Now she gave 20 coins to Sheila, and then after that they have equal amount, right? So if that's the case, then I will just draw this one. So this one is representing your 20 and giving it to Sheila. This part here. So now they have equal amount. Okay, so here is now your 20. So because they have equal amount, which means in the beginning, this part here will also be your 20, right? So this is also the 20. Agree? Because they have the same descending part, right? Now that they have the same amount. So this 20 is given to Sheila. So if this is 20, this will also be 20. Okay? So your coins will be the total number, okay, is given as 172. So coins will be 172. Now, I need to make sure that everything is the same like that. Alright? They are equal, right? So if that's the case, that means I have to take 172, take away this part here. Right? Because before that, this part is not there. Right? Because they say same amount after giving this is 20, right? So that means I need to show 172 take away 20. So that will give me 152. Alright, so that's one part. Okay, then I have to take 152 minus another 20. Okay, and that's 132. Okay, right. So now each person so 132 divided by 2. So now you have 20, take away, and then take away another 20. So now each person, okay, so 132 divided by 2, so your answer will be, sorry, here will be 12. So that's 6. So your answer is 66. So 66 is number 1. Okay. Question 15. How many 4-digit numbers which are greater than 5,000 can be formed using the digits 7, 0, 5, and 4? So they want 4-digit number. Alright, but the number must be greater than 5,000. So two conditions. One condition, it must be a 4-digit. Another condition, it must be greater than 5,000. Now, so if it's greater than 5,000, alright, you have to pick, the greatest will be 7 already, right? So 7, 5. Now they didn't say whether it's even or odd, so it doesn't matter. So 7, 5, then 4 and 0. So that's one greater than 5,000. So that's 1. Number 2, you will have another answer, and that's 7504. Okay, so you work out all the answers. Okay, that's greater than 5,000. Okay, and number 3, another answer will be greater than 5,000. We can just swap the places now. We can just put your 5740 there. Alright, number 4, you can also do a 547 7 and 0, still greater than 5,000. So you work it out, okay, you make a list of all the numbers that's greater than 5,000. All right, so your answer. All right, question 15, these are all the 12 combination, okay, of greater than 5,000, right? So the answer is 3.